Achieve makes it easier than ever for you and your students to gauge comprehension of historical connections and critical thinking skills. History skills tutorials are now housed in Achieve and are easily assignable before or after class. Topics cover a range of common introductory history topics, such as working with primary sources, avoiding plagiarism, preparing writing assignments in history, and taking effective notes. In addition, a new feature called Reflection Activities includes free response questions that allow students to reflect on what they've just read and then comment on what was most interesting or most challenging. Students are also asked to rate their confidence in their own comprehension of the reading. Questions are customizable to the instructor's needs and require students to develop historical thinking skills while assessing their own progress. Both history tutorials and reflection activities are easily assignable in Achieve, so you can spend your class time focusing on what matters to you and your students. Interested in reviewing more of Achieve for History? Go to macmillanlearning.com/achieve-activity21 to complete an Achieve activity review or to simply learn more.